and I've seen the question a few times from other viewers. How do I know how much I should be charging for shipping? So I thought I'd just make a quick video here to show the process that I go through. All right, thank you for visiting Amazing Abner. This is Tom, and a little bit of a different video here. I've seen in a couple other videos that I've watched. I watch a lot of other YouTubers' videos regarding eBay and reselling, and I've seen the question a few times from other viewers. How do I know how much I should be charging for shipping? So I thought I'd just make a quick video here to show the process that I go through when I'm unclear on something, or I sell a lot of video games. I know what the cost is going to be. But when I get into some heavier things or things I just simply haven't sold before, I jump over to the eBay shipping calculator. I'll provide a link down in the description if you're new to the eBay shipping calculator, but it's pretty straightforward. If I'm going to ship out a package, we'll just go with 20 by 20 by 10. We'll say I'm shipping out something 5 pounds. My zip code is 45211. I always put a 0. I don't know if you need to put anything in that field or not. And then what I do, because I'm in Cincinnati, is I just pick something far, far away, usually something like Seattle, San Francisco, Los Angeles, and then I calculate shipping. This is going to show, first of all, just your standard in-store rates for USPS. Then you have, all of their different methods to choose from. But you want to make sure you click the eBay rates right here. And this will show you how much you're going to be charged. So you know how much to put as a flat rate, how much shipping to build into your price if you're going to offer free shipping, etc. And then you can also do the same here for FedEx and see what the eBay rates are going to be. FedEx Ground for me seems to be the best choice for things that are a little bit heavier, $30.38. And then the eBay rates for UPS Ground, you see almost $40. So now I also opened a free account with Pirate Ship, so you can do the exact same thing. And I also jump over here. I'll enter the same dimensions just to check, and I think we did what, 20 by 20. That'd be a heck of a large package there, wouldn't it? I think we did 5 pounds. We'll just leave it as box or rigid packaging. Get a quote. Oh, and again, it's interesting when the only far off zip code that is stuck in my head all these years is, and if you're a little bit older, you probably know why that is. I did not watch the show. It just sticks in my head. And here you go. So through Pirate Ship, this is what you can get. It'll show right off the top the cheapest, $68.81, priority mail. And these are all mail, so I do apologize. These are all USPS rates. But obviously, in this case, we'd want to go with FedEx Ground. So that's what I do to see how much I should be charging for shipping or how much I need to build into my price. So hopefully it's helpful. Thanks for stopping by Amazing Abner. If the video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you like this sort of content, and even hit the bell if you want to see more. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. We'll see you next time.